save your Instagram stories to gallery. Captured a memorable moment on Instagram? Don't let it disappear. Learn how to save your favorite stories straight to your phone's gallery in just a few steps. Follow all this quick tutorial and keep those precious moments or memories forever. So, without any much delay, let's dive right into the video. Open Instagram app on your device and make sure to log in to your account. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner to access your profile feed. Now tap on three-line menu icon or settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. On this page, scroll down and locate the option for archiving and downloading. Here you will see different options for saving to archive or saving to camera roll. This you have to locate the option to save story to gallery so that your stories will be automatically saved to your phone's gallery. Simply toggle on the button and that's how we do it. I hope this video worked for you. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe, hit the notification bell, like the video, comment and share to your friends for more tech and tips.